It's always a good day when we get to open a Paletteful Packs box. Let's see what's inside. Hi, my name is Miranda, and on this channel we do lots of watercolor goodness and 2 art subscription boxes every single month. Once in a while we get distracted by another art supply and have a lot of fun with that, so welcome. Let's see what's inside. First thing is a Copic Opaque White. That looks fun. Uh-oh, what's this? A Uniposca Pastel stick, I assume? Are there more of those? Oh, I see Posca markers. Posca marker again. More. Yay! I love Poscas. Another one. Brush, probably for this white, by Robert Simmons. Oh, another pastel stick. And surface. Wait, do we have a sticker this month? We do, a Posca sticker. Nice. Our surface is crescent textured black boards. These are popular in our subscription boxes lately, but I haven't been very thrilled with them, so we'll see how this one treats us. 3 8x10 ultra black. And the prompts are song, cactus and succulent, pixel art, flower. All right, this is all the goodies in this box. This was quite the value as usual because Posca markers are very expensive. Copic products are very expensive. And let's see what we can do with those prompts. So I just the second took off the plastic on this, and the bristles were pushed out by whoever put that plastic cap on for the very first time, and I don't really think they can be saved, so I'm going to just snip them off, which makes me sad because this brush had quite an extensive description about how fancy it is and how it's 22 karat gold plated ferrule and all kinds of fanciness. Kiln dried beechwood. Yeah, the finest red Klinsky hair and synthetic filament blend. The ultimate painting experience. So I'm shy a few bristles. I do have some water here though, so maybe we can try out this Copic Opaque White as well. So let's get one of these out. I'm excited. I love Posca pins, Posca markers. I usually just call them Posca pins. Absolutely love them. So hopefully I shook these enough. Scissors put away. I think what we'll do is grab our ruler and split this in half real quick. I don't like that. I think we're going to pull it over here more. We're going to make our test area more like 3 inches and leave the rest for our cute little drawing. Okay, that's the first time I tried these. Does this have a color? Light orange. I am pushing really hard. And if I just push like a normal pencil, this is what I get. So they're good for sketching. Let's try this one. This one is blue. It shows up nicely. Might as well try to see what they look like over the top of each other, I guess, huh? Why not? We've never used them before. Let's make a final mess. Don't feel like they would be very happy about going over the top of each other. Nice, they don't come off like chalk pastels. All right, this is a new to me color, aqua green. I don't have this one. All primed and ready to go, but I made a huge mess because sometimes I've had to prime these a lot, and these I just pushed down once and big petal came out, so that was a bummer. Look at that. Look at the brilliance of that. I love it. Just love it. Let's do this one. This is just regular green. Might need to prime this one some more, but it's so scary. And look at the mess I made. Yeah, it doesn't take much. Holy moly. It's just supposed to be the same tip as this one, but it seems a lot wider for some reason. There's the pink. That's a really fine tip. This is a 1M. Nope, that's a 3M. And yellow. Same, it's a 3M tip. Let's sketch. I'm going to mix song, cactus, and flower from the prompt list together. Yes, I am. I don't know how. Oh, you know what? I want to try something real quick. I want to try, if we hurry, can we? So if we hurry, we can kind of mix them together, but then it kind of makes a mess on your nib. So maybe what would be better would be to put these together if I want a different color on a palette. So we're gonna sketch a little cactus. Make this very simple and cute, huh? Straight lines are beyond me. They're hard to sketch with because they're not sharp, so I should probably sharpen one like a regular pencil would be. That might be a good idea. And let's get ourselves a cute little cactus. Little cactus arms. Let's give this guy some big eyes. I forgot to test this. Are there directions? May be harmful. Avoid ingestion. Zinc sulfate. I think that's what this bleed proof white is as well, is zinc sulfate. Where did I see that? I thought I saw that somewhere. Yeah, zinc sulfate. So these are probably the same product, except different brands, obviously. I'm just gonna use it out of the lid. Wow, that's cool. Let's see how they go over. That's incredibly awesome. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Okay, so the pastel acts a little bit as a resist. I don't know if you can see that kind of bubbling up, but with a few more coats, I'm sure you could cover it right up. Yep, looks like it. Okay, well there's that. That stuff works exactly like it is supposed to. So, back to our sketch. I got distracted because I didn't want to finish the eyes. I want to do like, that's the wrong end of the thing. I really should sharpen this. I don't really want those down there, but this does, actually I don't know that it doesn't erase. I didn't actually like officially try that. Yeah, it erases. It does hurt the paper though. Yeah, that side didn't erase. Beats me. We're gonna say it does not. And let's give this guy a big old grin. I like that this doesn't smear. I should read that again. It must be like an oil pastel. Just says pastel. High quality permanence and pigmentation. Soft, blendable, and expressive way to sketch and paint with the benefit of a coated body. Mess free. Okay, a mouth. And this little dude is singing. All right, how do we make a cartoon mouth sing? Probably like that. Oh yeah, exactly. Now we need like a tongue. Yeah, that works, right? Okay, now we need like a little cactus flower. Good enough, I'll go with that. I like it, I like it. I was thinking about making the pot pink too. This is only coming through as white. It's very hot pink. I hope that actual camera on my computer doesn't show that as white. Let me try a different filter, hang on, just to be sure. Well, I switched to a different filter to see if you guys can see that this is actually really hot pink, but I can't tell without pulling this over on the computer. So hopefully you guys are getting a good representation here. So I don't have red or any other color. I'm gonna go ahead and do the tongue pink. Why not? Yeah, I guess we'll do the pot. This is kind of a small pink for the pot, but oh well. There'll be a lot to fill in with this little guy. I'm gonna put my book on. This could take a while. Starlight is the ship. So yeah, that happened, but actually it turned out to be a really good thing, because if that spill had never happened, I would never have thought to do the pot in this manner. And so it was a happy accident, right? That's what I say anyway. So guys, have you used Posca pins yet? And if not, you really need to try them if this is something that looks fun to you. It's just freeing. There's something about Posca pins. I don't know, almost everyone I see who uses them loves them, and I am no exception to that. I love them. I have several. I don't get to use them very often because I'm always doing other projects, but There are a few Posca pin videos on my channel. I assume they're in a playlist, and I'll make sure I double check before I put this video out for you guys. Anyway, Posca pins, they're so fun. They're like, I can't even describe it. Just go get you some, try them out. You're gonna love them like I do. At least I hope so. I very much hope so. All right, I'm gonna leave you to some music, but I am definitely getting back with you towards the end, so stay tuned. I will talk to you again. Okay, we did it. Song, cactus, flower up there. So I did not get pixel art, but that's okay. 3 out of 4 isn't bad. So as always, I have way too much fun with Posca pins. So now I have, I guess, just one new color to add to my collection. I have this pink in a much finer nib already. So one new one, the aqua. Doesn't hurt my feelings to have more of each color because they do actually run out. So that'll be okay. But yeah, so much fun. Okay, there we are. Another successful Paletteful Packs in the books, and this was so much fun. Now this crescent board this time I liked just fine, but I think, you know, Poscas work on anything and they make almost any surface nice unless it's thin, but you know what I mean. So I'll be keeping those. I don't have a lot of black paper at all, so everything in here is going in my stash. I guess even these, they don't smear, so they could be kind of fun to use. We'll see what happens, because that was fun. I still have a sticker. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I just made a mess.